Ever wonder how the world's second-largest cryptocurrency landed in the hands of its first believers? Let's uncover the fascinating story of how Ethereum was initially distributed. Back in 2014, Ethereum wasn't just born. It was meticulously planned. The foundation for its distribution was laid out in a detailed white paper by Vitalik Buterin, emphasizing fairness and community involvement. The initial ETH distribution was done to fund the project's development. A key component was the presale, lasting 42 days. It was a crowd sale where individuals could purchase ETH with Bitcoin. The price was set at 2,000 ETH per Bitcoin. Over 30,000 Bitcoins were raised in this period, translating to over 60 million ETH. Not all ETH went up for sale though. About 12 million ETH, roughly 15% of the total supply created in the Genesis block, was allocated to the Ethereum Foundation and early contributors. This reserve was meant to incentivize long-term development, research, and ecosystem growth. The Genesis block, the very first block on the Ethereum blockchain, set the initial rules and distributed the ETH. It was the starting point of Ethereum's journey. The pre-sale success gave Ethereum the capital it needed to launch, and the developer Allocation fostered a dedicated team to build the future of decentralized applications. This distribution strategy played a vital role in Ethereum's early success, laying the groundwork for a vibrant and innovative ecosystem. Understanding the distribution of ETH helps us appreciate its origins and its continuing evolution.